Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the top 5 best dash cams of 2025. If you want the best video quality, the smartest features, or the best value for your car, this list will help you choose the right model. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Garmin Dash Cam 67W. The Garmin 67W is a compact and discreet dash cam offering 1440p resolution and a wide 180-degree field of view. It features voice control and connected functions that allow remote monitoring of your vehicle. Video quality is sharp with good dynamic range. The ultra-wide view captures more road activity than most competitors, and Garmin's mobile app is smooth and reliable. Pros: wide 180-degree field of view, strong 1440p video quality, voice command support, compact low visibility design, includes a memory card. Cons: not 4K, some connected features require a subscription, a great choice for users who want a small but powerful dash cam with reliable performance and clean footage. Number 2. Vantrue S1 Pro Max AI Dash Cam 4K plus 4K. The Vantrue S1 Pro Max records in true 4K front and rear using STARVIS 2 sensors. It includes AI-powered driver assistance, 5G Wi-Fi, GPS logging, and advanced parking surveillance. Video clarity is excellent day or night with strong license plate capture thanks to Vantrue's PlatePix technology. ADAS is helpful, though sometimes overly sensitive. Pros: real 4K front and rear, exceptional night performance, AI ADAS and accurate GPS, reliable parking mode, supports up to 1 terabyte storage. Cons: no built-in cloud connectivity, larger body compared to smaller dash cams, ideal for users who want the best overall video quality, especially for dual-channel recording. Number 3. VIOFO A329S 4K 3-channel dash cam. The VIOFO A329S covers the front, cabin, and rear with 4K and 2K recording. It uses STARVIS 2 sensors across all cameras and supports extremely large storage up to 4 terabytes SSD. Footage is crisp in every direction. The 210-degree cabin fisheye lens captures a wide interior view, making it ideal for rideshare drivers. Connectivity with Wi-Fi 6 improves file transfers significantly. Pros: full 3-channel coverage, high-quality footage across all cameras, massive storage capacity, power-saving parking mode, great for rideshare or full coverage setups. Cons: more complex installation, SSD recommended for maximum storage. The best option for users who want complete 360-degree coverage and long-term recording capacity. Number 4. Garmin Dash Cam Live. The Garmin Dash Cam Live is designed for constant connectivity. It allows you to check your vehicle from anywhere through 24/7 live view, get real-time alerts, and store footage in the cloud. This model shines as both a dash cam and a security system. The live view is fast, the app is reliable, and cloud features add extra peace of mind. Pros: true 24/7 remote monitoring, real-time alerts via the app, cloud video storage, strong Garmin build quality. Cons: requires a subscription for full features, more expensive than standard dash cams. Best suited for people who want constant access to their vehicle and premium cloud features. Number 5. VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR Dash Cam. Dual STARVIS 2 sensors, 4K plus 2K recording, parking mode, night vision 2.0. The VIOFO A229 Pro features 4K HDR front recording and 2K rear recording with the latest STARVIS 2 sensors. It includes advanced night vision, voice control, 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, and parking surveillance. The 4K HDR footage is sharp, detailed, and noticeably cleaner in difficult lighting. Night Vision 2.0 offers strong clarity in low light. The camera is fast, responsive, and reliable for daily use. Pros: excellent 4K HDR front video, strong 2K rear camera, voice control and GPS included, reliable low light performance, supports up to 512 gigabytes of storage. Cons: no cabin camera option, rear camera requires cable routing. A top pick for users who want high dynamic range 4K footage and strong nighttime performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech breakdowns and buying guides. All product links are in the description. See you in the next one.